Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can stop losing health in Escape from Duckov. So what you'll need to do is have drink or some bandages, but as you can see we are now dehydrated and hungry. So what you'll need to do is open up your inventory and just use like coca, milk or carrots, eat, and as you can see we stop losing our health in the game. So that's basically how you stop losing your health. As you can see we have potato, but now if I use it I will get some energy level. So that's pretty much it, and now you can just simply heal with bandages to regain your health at 40 again. If this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below for the algorithm, subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we'll see you in the next one.